Video. Today is my 6th day on the trail, so I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it right now. Thank you. There's the bridges that came up a couple of days ago. No.
Yeah. Very good.
So between Namche and Tingbuche, there's another checkpoint. They just check your national park pass and your regional pass. So Namche is back around that corner. This morning I came up at about 100 meters, came around there, through a couple villages over there, down to the river, across the bridge, and back up again. And I'm assuming, just looking, I'm probably at 3,600 meters, and I think Tingbuche is 38 something. So a little bit further to go. So I left Namche at 8:30 this morning, and it's noon, and I'm here in Pangbuche already. So I got here a couple hours ahead of schedule. So I'm gonna have a quick lunch, keep on going. I do have to be careful because of the elevation. If you go too high in one day, that's when you get sick. So downtown Tingbuche. Tingbuche Cyber Cafe. Email, internet, fax available here. Buddhist temple. So I passed Tingbuche, I passed Pangbuche. I'm definitely not going to Tingbuche tonight, so I'm going to the next village. So I made it past Tingbuche and Pangbuche, and I'm in a little town called Shomare. There's only a couple lodges here in town, but it's pretty cheap. I do want to keep going up the trail. There is still more daylight, but for elevation reasons, I'm forced to stay down here. I feel fine, but I just don't want to risk it since I'm trekking alone. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.